Hello, Karen here. I am the Chief Fermentation Officer at Kraut. Well, spring is just a few days away. And did you know that this is the best time of year to do a detox or cleanse? And did you know that sauerkraut is your powerhouse food for detoxification? That's right. And that's because cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, or Brussels sprouts contains a natural compound called indo-3-carbinol that helps your liver filter out toxins. However, when the vegetables are cooked, the indo-3-carbinol is greatly decreased. And that's where sauerkraut comes in, because sauerkraut is not heated, and during the fermentation process, probiotics are formed that helps with our digestion, our immunity, and detoxification. So, in celebration of spring and good health, we are offering a special spring special, which includes a Kraut top, our beautiful full-color recipe book, and my book, Happy Foods, which has an entire chapter dedicated to healthy detoxification using whole foods. It also contains over 100 gluten-free recipes that helps to boost your mood. There's also information in the book on weight loss management and restful sleep. So please migrate to our website and take advantage of this special. Until next time, spring into good health with sauerkraut, Kraut, and Happy Foods.